Welcome to another video in Google Cloud series. Today we are going to understand BigQuery basics, what it is, when to use it, and how it fits inside Google Cloud storage options. GCP has many data storage services. There is no single option that fits all use cases. It depends on your application and workload. Raw, unstructured data, for example, image, video, best fit for cloud storage. For structured data, the choice depends on your application type and workload. For transactional or OLTP systems, use SQL databases like Cloud SQL, LODB, Spanner. For NoSQL, Firestore is the best fit. For analytical or data warehouse workloads, BigQuery is the best for SQL, and Bigtable works well for NoSQL. In this video, we will focus on BigQuery. BigQuery is fully managed and serverless, designed for data warehouse solution and long-term analytics, and also designed for business intelligence and decision making. It can scan terabytes of data in seconds. We can connect to BigQuery using GCP Cloud Console, Cloud Shell, BQ command, and also using REST API. So there are right now 7 languages supports. Now let's explore BigQuery resource hierarchy. So in Google Cloud, organization is the top level in hierarchy. Under that, you create folders to organize different projects. To use any Google Cloud service, you have to have at least one project. So under project, you create datasets. Datasets are logical container that are used to organize and control access to your BigQuery resources like table, views. Every dataset has a location and you cannot change this location once the dataset is created. And to access a table, you have to have a reference. So the reference starts with your project name, then the dataset name, and then finally the resource name at the table or view. So here is a simple select statement to access. So first you specify project name, dataset, and then table name. Now let's explore BigQuery using Google Cloud Console. We are already inside our Google Cloud Console. We can access BigQuery from this quick access button, BigQuery. We can go to navigation menu, look for BigQuery, then click Studio. When you first time open BigQuery, looks like this. In the left side, we have BigQuery navigation menu. On the top, we have overview. It is still in preview mode, means it is still in test mode. Discover tutorials, features, and resources. Next one is Studio. That will be our main work area. We can see all the BigQuery resources and perform all the common tasks like edit and run queries. Another option is agents. It is still preview mode. It lets you create and chat with data agents that are designed to answer questions about BigQuery resources. Pipeline and integration. Then we have data governance. We can share our data policy and metadata curation. BigQuery administration part available here, monitoring, jobs explorer, and BigQuery engine, disaster recovery, and recommendations. And the last one is migration of services. So now let's explore Studio page. So in Studio page, the first tab, Explorer tab to work with tables, views, routines, and other BigQuery resources. And the next one is Classic Explorer, that's the older version of the Explorer. Files tab to organize code like SQL queries and notebooks by using folders. Finally, repository. This is for code version management. Let's go back to Explorer. Main hierarchy here is project. Our project is demo project, and 480123R1. That is our project ID. Under the project ID, you see all the connections. The main container of the data is called dataset here. It is a logical storage here to organize all of our data. So right now in dataset there is no data. In today's video we'll see how we can access some public data available from Google. To see all the free public data available here, so we can access add data, select public data set, select free. So there is a very popular data set called New York City bike trips. Click. From here we can view dataset. Dataset, we can see there are two tables available. One is the city bike station, another one city bike trips. Select any table, for example city bike station, and we can see all the column name, type, and the description. In details we can see the table ID. First part is the project, the second part is the dataset, and the last part is what is the name of the table. Reference any tables or any resource like this format here. And if we go a little bit down, we can see the storage info. So the total logical byte it occupied is 367 kilobyte. And from here we can preview data also. Write a query and click query. Specify the column names, or maybe we can select everything. Select star, limit 1000. Bottom part you can see the query will process the entire table when run. And if we remove the star or any syntax error, you will not see anything. So it is saying there is a syntax error. So if your query is valid, only at that time it will show how much data will you access. Let's run the query. Return the result. You can check the job information. So the byte process 367 KB. And the visualization, you can visualize data based on different visualization type like line, bar, or map you can plot. And execution details, how long it takes, and the execution graph as well. Also we can save the query. Northeast 1 Montreal, let's save it. Okay, the query is saved. So if you go to queries, we can see our test query saved here. So in this video, we have seen basics of BigQuery. In our next video, we will create a data set and load some test data. If you find this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more content like this. I really appreciate your support.